Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, Sagittarius, and few cards from the other deck. Okay, so we'll start the reading. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel someone may be trying to dominate you, okay, command your respect or attention, or you may be commanding and what to say, demanding respect from people around you, okay. They may do it out of just for your wisdom and your decisions, okay, maybe financial decisions, and how the way you make them feel safe and secured, okay, in this relationship. That may be the energy here. You're trying to nurture your relationship, work in your relationship, and make it a stable one, guys. That is the energy here today. For some of you all, your dreams are coming true. Whatever you have dreamt for, your wildest dreams, okay, they are coming true, guys. Today, you see the path that are leading to your dreams, okay, or you are on the path to achieving your dreams. So that is the energy here, Sagittarius. And you are devoted, you have that perseverance, courage to work towards your dream, and this relationship has a great potential, okay. You're very much attracted to each other, and you have that understanding and the romance in your relationship. You want to commit to this person, okay, or this person wants to commit to you. That is also the energy here, guys. You are in for a intimate relationship, okay. So you may be accepting a proposal and taking your relationship forward, okay, with the engagement or some kind of what to say, you're stepping up in your relationship, okay. That is the energy here. Maybe you're planning your wedding, and marital bliss is in the cards, guys. So that is the energy. And you are a hard working person. You're working towards a security and stability in your life or in your relationship, and you are a very committed person. You have great responsibilities, and you want to, what to say, make choices such a way, even you don't bother about sacrificing your freedom in order to reach your goal, okay. So with these cards, I feel your goals are manifesting, guys. Whatever your dreams are, they are manifesting, okay. The path to reach the dreams is in your vision now. That is the energy here. So the way for you to reach your dreams, your goals in life are in your visibility now. You are identifying that, and maybe for some of you all, you're planning to have a child. That is a very positive move in any marriage, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Sagittarius. And you have a very good understanding with your person. You are what to say, very compatible with each other, and you nurture each other in this relationship. You benefit from each other's company, and this may be a karmic cycle, guys, or a twin flame soulmate connection. So you're in this relationship committed for long term. Okay, so that is also the energy here. And you have a great attraction towards this person, guys, or this person may have a great attraction to you. Okay, and your person, they have great aspirations, okay, in their work or in their personal life, and maybe some of it is coming true, guys. That is also the energy here. Whatever your person is wishing, those dreams and goals, they may be within their reach. Okay, so that may also be the energy here. And you're putting your heart and soul into your days. Okay, in whatever you're doing, you're concentrating and putting your full what to say, concentration in that. Okay, your heart and mind into that work. Maybe in your relationship, it is in your relationship or in your work. Okay, you're pouring your heart and soul into it. That is also the energy here, Sagittarius. So let me pick out 3 more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. So whatever the energy was till now, it's all good, guys. So maybe for some of you all, someone is trying to dominate you. Okay, commanding your respect and attention. Okay, they want you to do things in a certain way. That is also the energy here. Be accommodating. Okay, honor life cycles. Just as I told you, this may be a karmic cycle, guys. This relationship with your person, you would have felt you knew this person even at the first meeting. Okay, whenever you saw them first, you would have felt in your heart that you have known this person a long time. Okay, and you're very familiar with the way they talk, the actions. Okay, so that may just means that you knew this person in your past life, guys. So maybe it is a karmic cycle that you have met this person and you are with them, okay, in this life. And you don't have to overthink about any situation, guys. Certain people or certain situations may try to rule over you. Okay, you don't have to bother too much about them, because luck is on your side, so things are going to go in your way. So you have to just leave out the negative emotions and go with the positives you have in your side, guys. That is the energy here. So you have to think positive, and you need to listen to other people's suggestions also, because what we think is based on how on our conditioning, guys, but other people will have a totally different view about things. So you need to be flexible today, listen to others suggestions, then make a decision. You don't have to judge anybody. Okay, so that is the energy here. So when you do that, when you listen to other person, you will have a different point of view to your situation, and you will have a better understanding to your situation, guys. So that is the energy here, Sagittarius. So evaluate your situations and make decisions after you talk to your person. Take their valuable suggestions, but at the same time, don't give up your ideals and your beliefs, guys, whatever you have. So that is the energy here, Sagittarius. So this is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.